I'm going to ask you, why is the reflection that you see in the mirror not beautiful already? Why are you not beautiful already? Why are you not perfect already? Why are you not enough already? Why? The mirror reflects the image, but the image does not improve the mirror. So this is strictly reflecting back to me exactly what I put into the mirror. The mirror has absolutely no conditions on it whatsoever. It says, bring it all. I'll reflect anything. It has no conditions. And so, if what you are bringing to the mirror does not reflect an image that you prefer, or that you want, or that you see as being beautiful or perfect in all its essence, then change the reflection. Change what you put into the mirror, but don't break the mirror. Namaste. Live deliberately. You've only got one life, at least for right now. Subscribe. Hit that thank you thumb. Do all that cool stuff. See ya.